Meet Connecteam Time Clock. Built to track time digitally to minimize the time spent on time tracking while maximizing accuracy. Have your team simply add a shift or clock in and out with the click of a button using their mobile phone, on-site kiosk app, or NFC tag, straight to digital timesheets. Get alerts or irregularities, such as when employees forget to clock in or exceed your set overtime limitations. This way, you can easily know employees are on time and ensure compliance with labor laws. Want to limit where your staff can clock in and out? Simply set up a digital geofence around your workplaces. So from now on, you'll only pay employees for the exact time they've worked. Tracked work hours are automatically recorded onto digital timesheets. Here you can easily review all log data per employee or your entire team, such as total daily work hours, overtime, breaks, and time off. Timesheets highlight inconsistencies, so you'll always be aware of any issues, whether someone worked overtime, edited a shift, or if there was an overlap between break time and work time, allowing you to easily spot and fix costly payroll mistakes. When it's payroll time, you can effortlessly export timesheets to your accountant or share them with your payroll providers or clients. Records of your staff's work hours are always stored within the platform, ensuring they're audit ready. Connecteam.